Hey everyone, Tommy 80 here. This is all about confidence. It's March right now and I've already been in about 30 different dealerships this year. By the end of the year, it's going to be in the hundreds, could be thousands. The question I think I get asked the most is how do you act so confident when you're out there selling to people? When I'm out in the showroom interacting and selling customers, I've got confidence. How do I get it? I should really be kind of insecure if you think about it. I'm selling anything from a Harley to Hyosung at times. You're on the East Coast, you're on the West Coast, the Midwest, different showrooms and so many different brands. How can you have confidence? I'm on stage as salespeople are watching me. How the hell can I be that confident? The same way that you can. I even looked up the definition of confidence. It's a feeling of self-assurance arising, I gotta look over here, from one's appreciation of one's own abilities or qualities, faith or belief that one will act in a right, proper, or effective way. So, if you're going to have belief in your abilities, it means that you've put in the work before you needed to use it. Before you came to work, before you got in front of the customer, before you picked up the phone, you put in the work before all of that. Now, you've got confidence in your abilities. You've got the utmost confidence and you're not even thinking about failure. You can't let the word failure come into your mind. Keep those negative thoughts out of your mind. That way, when you're in the middle of selling something, you know you've prepared to close the deal. It's like the sales trainer, Grant Cardone says, prepare like a chump, close like a chump. Now, if you watch any great salesperson out there, you'll see that all of a sudden they're in a zone. They're ready to sell and they know what they've got to do. They're not going to take no for an answer, at least not too many no's. They're not answering their cell phone to take other calls while they're selling. They're not taking their mind off the customers that are in front of them. They're in a zone, listening to everything that customer is saying so they can use some ammo against them later on to close them. They know everything that customer is going to say before it's ever said. They know the customer might say, it's too expensive. They know the guy's going to say, well, I got to talk it over with my wife. But they've already prepared for those objections or those concerns from the customers. I know what the customer is going to say. There's only 4 objections that customers can come up with. There's nothing else. It's always time, money, a stall, or the wrong unit. That's it. And I can handle all those. Knowing how to overcome all those objections is being in a state of mind that nobody can stump me. No one. Even if you know your customer is looking at something on that lot that is hundreds, maybe thousands cheaper at another store, you've got to be in the state of mind to know how you've got the best deal for that customer at your dealership. Maybe it's cheaper somewhere else, but that customer cannot get you as a salesperson at the other store. That's confidence. That's the way you've got to sell. Know that you've practiced and you've come prepared to sell. You'll get confidence if you put your time in. It's the hustle. If you want to be confident and have that confident mental state, you've got to be in the state of mind that you know how to overcome every objection there is and no one can get away from you. You don't get someone close today that's in front of you. You're going to let that person leave with an appointment and then you're going to follow up until they buy. To get that confidence, you've got to study though. You've got to practice. You've got to drill. You've got to rehearse until you get some talent because you need talent to have confidence. And I'm sure that you watched my video on getting knowledge, skill, and talent 20 minutes a day. I'm Tommy 80 from Tommy80.com. Keep practicing.